Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the sound and vibration section. Now let's scroll down to find this section with the ringtone at the top, so let's tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got also the option custom, which means that you can select the file which you've, for example, previously downloaded, and you can set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. Of course, it works with all other options too, and after deciding that you like this one, for example this one, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.